What led to the fall of Bashar al-Assad's 20-year reign in Syria? Meet Abu Mohammad al-Jolani, the enigmatic leader of Hayat Tahrir al-Sham, the rebel group that turned the tide in Syria's long civil war. Here's how it all unfolded. The Syrian civil war, simmering since 2011, has erupted again. Rebel group Hayat Tahrir al-Sham launched a surprise 3-day offensive, culminating in the capture of Aleppo. On December 8, HTS fighters stormed Damascus, declaring the Assad regime toppled. President Bashar al-Assad, in power since 2000, has reportedly fled Syria. This marks a historic shift in a conflict once at a stalemate after a 2020 ceasefire. Hayat Tahrir al-Sham, or HTS, emerged from Jabhat al-Nusra, al-Qaeda's Syrian army. By 2017, HTS evolved into an independent group with localized goals. Led by Abu Mohammad al-Jolani, it has become the most powerful rebel faction in Syria, focused on ousting Assad's regime. Jolani, now 42, is the key architect of HTS's recent success. Born in Saudi Arabia and raised in Damascus, his family's roots trace back to the Golan Heights. At 17, Jolani was drawn to Middle Eastern geopolitics inspired by the Palestinian Intifada. In 2023, the US designated him a global terrorist. Jolani's leadership style has been strategic. He brokered alliances with tribes and minority groups, secured surrenders, and safeguarded minorities, moves pivotal to HTS's territorial gains. Jolani views Syria's conflict as a fight against foreign interference and historical grievances. He accuses Russia of using Assad as a pawn to control the Mediterranean and revive Soviet-era influence. Iran, he argues, seeks to expand its regional power under the guise of Shiite solidarity. His solution? Overthrow Assad, whom he labels a tyrant responsible for the conflict. Jolani claims the Syrian revolution is not a threat to Western security, but a fight for freedom and justice. Despite HTS's triumph, questions loom. Jolani envisions a Sunni Islamist government, though he has allied with Turkey-backed moderate rebel factions. Whether his vision aligns with Syria's diverse population remains uncertain. The fall of Assad marks a turning point, but Syria's future under HTS and Jolani is far from settled. From insurgent to power broker, Abu Mohammad al-Jolani's rise reshapes Syria's story. The world watches as the next chapter unfolds.